Zach Coley, live at 158 South Jackson Street, Bluffton, Ohio. Came home after a day that we're normally not gone all day. And my daughter walked in and all I hear is water. The dog was walking around where she wasn't supposed to be, and water pouring down in the middle of our room, and the ceiling had come down all over our table. Drywall was down. Obviously, first thing I thought was panic, and then got on the phone with the insurance company, and Swartz was here a few hours later. So it was very nice. I've helped people with insurance claims when I worked at the bank, but firsthand, never had experience. But our insurance guy called Swartz right away. They came out, they explained everything what they're doing, very easy to work with, and just every step they kind of explained everything so we knew what was going on step by step all through the whole process so far. I think they let us know what was going on. So it made it less stressful. We knew that there'd be like a windstorm with some of the fans and dehumidifiers, and we knew what to expect, so it wasn't as stressful, I guess. So
yeah.
For me on my side, like they definitely walked through and explained things. The water made its way down to our basement, which kind of thankfully isn't finished. But I do have a lot of things downstairs that the guys were able to walk through, see what needed done, keep the temperature at a reasonable temperature, so that way things down there don't further get damaged. And then even the flooring and pulling everything up, they definitely stayed, like they were very thorough explaining everything with what they had to do with the walls, the upstairs bathroom. They started out just trying to dry it, and they ultimately ended up having to pull the tile up. But they definitely tried to, preserve what they could. They were here fast. They were very thorough about everything.
They definitely made the top of my list. I do real estate with Superior Plus Realtors, so if I had a client going through this, I would say, hey, these guys are fast and efficient. They do the job right. Just knowing they have their number and ready to go, they make the top of my list every time. Mm-hmm. So they've been from Rick to Tim and Sheriff and the whole crew. They've been great. They came in and they were in fast and out fast. So they did the job right. And the time that they went through and checked the water and the moisture in the walls it was cool to watch the technology with that too. And then coming in with the 3D floor plan, forgetting her name right offhand, but she was
Jennifer.
Yeah. She was great, and she sent it to us, and it was really neat to see it. We messed with our kids with the toys in the room and toys out of the room, so that was kind of fun. So they made the experience as miserable as it is, less miserable with just basically how they handled it.
One of the first things that we did, we wanted to leave things where they were, just so we could get everything documented. So definitely take pictures, walk through with a camera, do your own video side of it. And then even when Swartz was here and walked through with us, we made sure to write down any questions that we had. They were really good at following up and explaining things very thorough, but also answering any questions that we had. We kind of took a second to kind of research a little bit on our own, so to make sure that we were thinking through the whole process as well. So definitely documentation.
Yeah, I'd say basically document, always prepare because you never know what's going to happen. Have your ducks in a row, and homeowner, I would say, just basically have a plan in place. I would probably give it a top 10 things I would do if I put it on my blog or something like that, just how to prepare for insurance, what the mitigation process looks like. I didn't even know about the mitigation process. And like I said, they did a fantastic job. So.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and just asking them along the way too. While the guys are here working, if there's anything that they need moved out of the way, certain doors that we were able to shut to keep the heat in, to get things drier faster. Cords, they were really mindful about where the drainage tubes went, where the cords were, and explaining all of that, so that way we could still have foot traffic moving through without tripping over things.
Yeah, when they were doing things and they put plastics on the doors and blocked it off and just very thoughtful about what they're doing. Yeah. So I thought that was very nice. You don't necessarily get that all the time, and someone's courteous and professional about things, it's actually a breath of fresh air.
Yeah, the first night that they came, they actually laid down the plastic that's still on the floor. They put stuff on the stairs as well, so that way foot traffic with the amount of from the ceiling falling down, just so that dirt or carpets stay clean. So yeah, they were good.
Yeah.
Our 3-season room, once they started pulling the flooring up, there's some of the retro 70s vinyl flooring in there that can't be saved or anything, but
Which is good.
I was good for you. I was sort of gushing over it, so the guys actually cut me up a square of it to keep.
I recommend them friends and family, and a real estate guy. I mean, I appreciate the time they put into this. So
Yeah.